So today I want to show you how I made these absolutely beautiful cannoli shells that I cannot stop thinking about. So after you mix your ingredients, you'll see that the dough is quite dry. Here I'm not showing it all, but I've kneaded it for several minutes and then let it rest under a covered bowl to help the flour absorb. So here, after maybe 10 minutes or so, I'm continuing to knead it with a rolling pin. So this also takes several minutes, which I'm not showing in the entirety, but you'll roll it, fold it, and just keep at it. You'll see it gets smoother as time goes on. So roll, fold, roll, repeat until you have a smoothish dough. Because after this, we're going to run it through the pasta machine, and that will also continue to develop the dough. Here you'll see it's much more further along. So here I am rolling it out thin enough so it could get through the 0 setting of the pasta machine. And then I'm consecutively moving that dial from 0 all the way through 6 where I'll stop. So I'm just running it. And I think that was my final setting. So here I am. I just used an upside down small bowl to get the size I needed for my cannoli molds. I gently stretched the circle into an oval. I'm moistening the top edge. Should use egg white. I used water here. And here I'm showing you that my mold has a seam at the top. I am putting the seam on the bottom so it doesn't get caught in the seam of the dough. Gently rolling it, and then just gently pressing down. And hopefully you can see that dough is loosely around the mold, not tight. Because if you do it tight, you're gonna have a heck of a time getting it off. So here are all my molds ready to go. And here's my lard. I talk about that in the post. I use that to fry. I've never done this before. I'm so glad I did. It's a completely different thing, and the mouth feels different. And here I am taking the mold out, gently loosening it, and then here I am filling them. I used a star tip with a large pastry bag, and you should only fill them when you're ready to eat them because the shell will get mushy. And then I'm dipping my ends in either chocolate chips or crushed pistachios. So I just put them in a little bowl, and I'm dipping them, and that's it. Time to eat, folks. Don't they look great? Look at all those bubbles. These are a must try.